Hi, welcome back to Latitude Gear Tech and Innovation. Today we're going to talk about, if you have an enclosed trailer, the reason that you put the trailer down and it will touch into this little rubber part. But today we're going to talk how you can replace those for something that could help you to eliminate the replacing all the time. Um, there's some that can be buy online if you want to replace this part for just a new one, but we're gonna tell you a different way that you can replace them and not having to replace it for a long while. So stay tuned and we're gonna get closer to what the solution is gonna be. Welcome back. So here is the solution. We're gonna replace for these part of caster wheels. These are 3 inches tall. That's from here all the way to the end of the wheel. From the top all the way to the bottom of the wheel is 3 inches tall. So we're gonna reduce the height of those by drilling another hole halfway. We're still gonna have the clearance for the wheel to move under there. Okay, we're still gonna have the clearance. And those holes we're gonna screw it to the back of the door. The good thing is that every time the door moves back and forward, this wheel's gonna move a little bit in and out. Door goes up and down, this move, so the end of the gate won't get scratched or won't get damaged from it. Here is how we doing it. We took the screw out. We got the screw out, okay? We drill a hole right at the end of this arrow that it has. You can see on this side. At the very end over here, you're gonna drill a hole with a drill bit. And this one can tell you that these wheels, I got it from Hybrid Freight Tools, okay? And they are 3 inches tall caster wheel. I think it says it over there. Yeah. There you go. This is the size they come. Here's where we make the hole. Okay, it's gonna be at the very end of this particular signal right there. You can see on this side. And this is what they're gonna look like after it's done. Alright, so you still have the gap underneath there for the wheel to move. Okie doke. Still, I gotta tell you that it's gonna be 3 sizes taller than the normal. Three sizes taller. So you're gonna have a flat that you can flip off the gate each time you park. Or you could just leave it this way and put the wheel farther in the whole gate, so that way the end of the gate almost close that much from the ground, but the wheel sits on the wheel. Okay, I hope you get it. If you have any further comment or question about it, give us reach us and leave us a comment. Talk to you soon. Remember, we always gonna try to save you money on the long run doing any other project that Latitude Gear Tech Innovation can uh, put up so for you guys to to do. This is like a hacking, landscaping equipment hacking for you guys to save some money in the long run. This will last you for a long time compared to how quick this rubber wear out from the back of your enclosed trailer. All right, peace.